So, good morning everyone. I'm Rudraksh Vishwakarma. Today, I'll be presenting on the topic how to claim road accident compensation as per MSCT guidelines. So, coming to its introduction, road accidents can indeed be a life-altering events, and understanding how to navigate the aftermath, particularly the process of claiming compensation, is crucial as per Motor Accident Claims Tribunal MSCT guidelines in India. In India, the process begins with the registration of first information report (FIR) with the local police. It's advisable to take pictures or videos of the accident scene as these can serve as valuable evidence. Claims for compensation can be made by a person who has sustained the injury by the owner of the property where death has resulted from the motor incident or by any legal representative of the deceased. The claim application can be made to the MCT within the local limits of those jurisdiction where the claimant resides or carries on business. In terms of compensation, if a driver is involved in an accident in India and it caused the victim's death, then a minimum of rupees 5,000, and if permanent disablement is caused, then a minimum of rupees 25,000 must be paid. The tribunal can award a higher amount after considering the case. Now, coming to firstly coming to the filing of application. Initiating the process of claiming compensation involves meticulous preparation and submission of written application to the relevant motor accident claims tribunal MSCT office. Here are detailed. Here's a more detailed look at this step. At these steps, preparing a written application. The first is to prepare a comprehensive written application. The application should include all pertinent details about the accident. Start by providing basic information such as the date, time, and location of the accident. Then describe the incident in detail, including the sequence of events, the cause of accident, and by notable circumstances. Includes information about the parties involved in the accident, such as their names, addresses, and contact information. If there were any witnesses, the details should be included. Specify the injuries sustained, medical treatment received, and any ongoing medical issues. Finally, state the compensation you are seeking. This could include medical expense, loss of earnings, property damage, and compensation for pain suffering. It's advisable to consult with a legal professional to ensure that all potential areas of compensation are covered. Submitting the application to MACT office. Once the application is prepared, it needs to be submitted to the relevant MACT office. Ensure that all necessary details are included, that the information provided it is accurate. It's important to keep a copy of applicant for your record. Second, gathering evidence. Now for getting evidence, the documenting the accident scene as soon as it's safe to do so. Take pictures or videos of the accident scene from multiple angles. This should include the vehicles involved, the position and damage sustained, and any kind of marks, traffic signs, and overall road conditions. If there are visible injuries, these should be documented as well. This visual evidence can provide a clear picture of the incident and can be instrumental in establishing the fact of the case. Calling emergency services. Dialing the emergency hotline is crucial not for only getting immediate medical help but also for reporting the accident. When you can call, try to remain calm and provide clear and concise information about the situation. This includes the location, the number of vehicles involved, and whether there are any inquiries. This Remember, this call is recorded and can serve as an official record of the incident. It's important To note that in India the emergency number of police assistance is 100, while for ambulance services is 100 or 112. In addition to these steps, it's also important to gather other forms of evidence. If there were any witnesses to the accident, try to get contact information and written statements if possible. Also keep a record of all medical treatments received, including doctor's reports, medical bills, and proof of any other expenses related to the accident. All these places of evidence can strengthen your claim and increase your chances of receiving fair compensation. Remember, the process of claiming compensation can be complex and each case is unique. It's always advisable to consult with a legal professional who specializes in motor accident claims to guide you through the process. They can provide valuable advice tailored to your specific situation and help ensure that your rights are protected. Thirdly, attending tribunal hearing. As your case progresses, you will be required to attend hearing at the MACT. This is a crucial part of the process where the details of the accident and the claims are examined in a judicial setting. Legal proceedings, once your applications are accepted by MACT, the judicial mechanisms will set itself into motion. The accused, typically the driver or owner of the vehicle involved in the accident, will be formally charged during the hearings. All legal intricacies related to the accident, the injury sustained, the liabilities of the accused, and the compensation claimed will be addressed. Evidence presented by both sides will be scrutinized, and witnesses may be called for examination. Claimant, res- Claimant representation. You have the right to represent yourself before the act. However, the given legal complexities involved, it may be beneficial to appoint a legal representatives or an advocate who specializes in motor accident claims. Receiving an award. Once the tribunal uh, reaches a decision, the compensation is awarded to the claimant. This is a significant step as it brings closure to the legal proceedings and provides financial relief to the victim or their families. Now coming to the conclusion. Indeed, claiming accident compensation is a complex process that involves navigating legal procedures, gathering substantial evidence, and advocating for one's rights. Adhering to the guidelines set by Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal Act can specifically aid victims in seeking justice and obtaining financial relief during such challenging times. However, it's important to remember that seeking compensation isn't just about existing a legal right. It's a crucial step towards healing and towards healing and recovery. The compensation received can help to cover medical expenses, losses of income, and other associated with an accident. This financial support can alleviate some of the stress and allow the victim to focus on their physical and emotional recovery. Moreover, pursuing a compensation claim can also serve a broader purpose. It can highlight the consequence of negligent drivers and reinforce the importance of safe road safety. It sends a strong message that irresponsible behavior on roads is unacceptable and will not be punished. Thank you.